In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Firebase machine learning. We'll start inside the Firebase console, which is your central dashboard for everything Firebase. Make sure you're signed in and have a project selected so the interface looks active and ready. If you're following along in a brand new project, that's fine. Just be aware some features prompt you to confirm usage or link billing later, depending on what you enable. From the left-hand navigation, open the Build section. This side menu groups together the tools you'll use to create and run app features, and it's where Firebase machine learning lives. Opening Build gives you a quick sense of the surrounding ecosystem, things like authentication, Firestore, and functions, so you can picture how ML features will fit alongside your app's data and logic. Next, head into machine learning. This brings you to Firebase's ML workspace, a unified place to explore ready-made ML capabilities and options for custom models. Think of it as a catalog and a control center. If you're new to ML on mobile, this area is designed to keep the setup approachable, with clear entry points whether you want an out-of-the-box solution or something tailored to your data. Open the APIs area. Here you can browse the available ML Kit APIs. This is where you'll see the operational pieces you can plug into your app, such as on-device text recognition, barcode scanning, face detection, image labeling, and more, as well as certain cloud-backed capabilities. Browsing here helps you decide what's a good fit for your use case. On-device APIs generally offer lower latency and work offline, while cloud APIs may provide higher accuracy or advanced features. Keep your app's constraints in mind, performance, network, and privacy, and pick accordingly. Now, switch to the custom section. This is where you manage your own models, either ones you train elsewhere and upload, or models you create using Google's tools and then serve through Firebase. Custom models let you go beyond the standard detectors and recognizers when your app needs domain-specific intelligence. Inside Custom, choose AutoML. AutoML is Google's guided training environment that helps you build a model, often for image tasks, without writing training code. You provide labeled data, and AutoML trains and evaluates a model for you. This page orients you toward that workflow and shows how models trained in the cloud can be deployed to your app using Firebase. Good data hygiene matters here. Balanced classes, clear labels, and representative samples will dramatically improve your results. Return to the APIs view from within machine learning and select Get Started. This is your onboarding path for ML Kit. Clicking through presents the practical steps to enable the features you need. You'll see prompts that set expectations, point you to setup snippets, and help you confirm anything necessary to proceed. Keep an eye on any notes about platform support and minimum OS versions so you stay compatible. Continue with the Get Started in ML Kit flow. Here you'll see links and guidance to add the SDK to your app for Android or iOS. The console points you to up-to-date instructions so your Gradle or CocoaPods configuration is correct, and it usually includes code examples to initialize and call the API you chose. Take a moment to read any performance and memory tips. ML operations can be resource-intensive, so batching work, reusing detectors, and managing frame rates can make a noticeable difference. Finally, browse the overview documentation for the feature you're targeting, like text recognition version 2. The docs give you a deeper dive, capabilities, limitations, input formats, and sample code to process images, interpret results, and handle errors gracefully. This is also where you'll find best practices, camera configuration, image pre-processing, and fallback behavior when a result isn't confident enough. If your app handles user-generated content, review privacy considerations and ensure you're processing data responsibly. That's the full path we took: console to build, into machine learning, exploring APIs, checking out custom and AutoML, starting ML Kit, and consulting the official docs. With this flow, you can quickly prototype using a ready-made API or plan a custom model strategy when you need something more specialized. Save your project, commit your changes, and you'll be ready to test on a device and iterate with confidence.